Hello and welcome to this video, Magic Variables. Ansible has a variety of what is known as magic variables. Variables that are automatically made available as part of the Playbook facts gathering execution. We've already looked at some of these, for example, host vars that we saw in the variables section. Documentation on what is a magic variable is scarce, and correspondingly, new releases of Ansible will introduce new or changes to variables that are available. A better approach for this, I think, is to look into the ways of gathering the available variables so that they can be reviewed whenever required and used accordingly. We know that all facts are gathered when the playbook has run the setup module. So doing this in a playbook where we can see the variables for all hosts is a logical approach. This video covers the use of a sample playbook that I recommend that you keep as a reference for whenever you need more information on all of the variables that are at your disposal for a given host. Okay, so we're in revision 1, and if you look at the following playbook, in this example, we're referencing a Ginger2 template as the source, and we're requesting that it dumps the output to /tmp/ansible_variables on each host. If we take a look at the template, it's dumping all of the vars, then passing this via the to_nice_YAML filter so that we have something that is easy to read. Then back to the playbook. After it creates that file, it's copying it back for us to our host for inspection. If we run this, we have a variable dump for each of our hosts. You can then take a look at these as you require. So for example, I'm going to bring up CentOS1. And some of the things I recommend you have a look at. Host vars is a great example. Then we've got groups. We've also got group_names. Inventory_hostname. Underneath that, you can actually see the short version, and we've also got inventory_dir. Have a look through the rest of the file. There is a lot of good information in there, and as I said before, keep this as a reference for whenever you actually need to use facts and you're not sure which ones you actually need to reference. This one was a nice and short video. Please join me in the next one where we'll be looking at blocks.